Alright y'all, welcome back to the video. This one's a little bit different today. We're back up here at the compound. We're doing a little bit of more work down there at the deer club. Our next stage is actually working on the skinning shed, and probably about 2 weeks ago we had a massive, this thing must have been 50, 60 feet up in there. It was a massive oak tree that fell down and got wedged between another tree, and Brandon had a company come out and like cut it up. Once we go down there, I'll show you guys like what I did, moving all the limbs and chopping some more firewood up. But we're actually going to run the loads today and kind of prep and get everything we're going to need for the skinning shed. We're going to like legit redo the whole entire thing, hang up new lights, new little hooks, new chairs. We're actually having like a little cookout down there this Saturday, so we're trying to prep and get everything ready. Anything that looks bad or old or something new that we want to put in, we're just kind of looking around today, running our errands. I figured I'd take you guys along. It's gonna be pretty funny. I don't want to be walking around with this camera. I mean, I'll do it, I don't give a shit, but I need to be grabbing things for Braden and whatnot. So I'm gonna throw the GoPro on the chest mount, and you guys are gonna get like a first-person view of everything that we're doing, walking through Lowe's and grabbing stuff, talking about some items. So I figured you guys get a kick out of that. The welds are really bad on them, so Braden dropped it off and actually had them re-welded. I'm walking back and forth because this damn dog behind me won't shut the hell up. Barks all damn day. It's all fixed up, so we're gonna go pick that up today too. So that's what this day is, just prepping, and then the next video you guys will see the old skinning shed and what we're trying to do to it. So with that being said, let's hop in the truck and let's go to wherever we're going. So we just got the trailer loaded up. We grabbed the little one because we're grabbing the grill first. We're gonna have to kind of do it 2 different times. When we go down there to the deer club, we'll throw everything in the dump trailer and we'll get everything situated. But yeah, it was a pretty good deal. I don't even know where it's at. I think it's like 10 minutes away or something, but we're gonna get that loaded up. We'll throw the GoPro on for that once we're loading it up, and then I think hopefully we're gonna run to Lowe's and we'll grab what else we need. Y'all, so we just made it down here to the old deer club. Watch it, dude. Watch it. I'm not dealing with you today.
You're fucking crazy.
Holy shit.
What an idiot. Do your intro.
I can't right now. I'm gonna lose my shit on you.
Cookie or something first.
I don't eat sweets. And you know that.
You need a beer?
Yeah.
Go ahead and drink.
Yeah. I said down here at the deer club.
Whatever, you get it figured out.
Braden, you got one more time. We just get, watch it. Like I said in the intro, we have to do a lot down here at the old skinning shed. Did a lot for the old deer club, and now we're moving on to the skinning shed, and y'all can see behind me, oh boy, we got a lot to work. We got a lot of work to do. Like 50 foot up in the air is a massive oak tree. It fell down, kind of got hung on this pine tree, and luckily did not take down the whole skinning shed. The other day, the company came out, they chopped all of it up and they just kind of left it, so I moved all of that away, and we're just gonna leave it. We'll just pull from it for firewood. I mean, it's good wood. And then I also came down here and stacked and cut all of this firewood right here. Oh, she's looking good. We got probably at least a month of wood right here, and there's more I need to cut up too, but my tower's starting to lean a little bit, so that's all I did. You can see all the junk in here. We have a lot to throw out. We brought the old dump trailer so we can just start throwing a bunch of this stuff. And we're gonna have to run to Lowe's and get some more lights. We wanna just like try to redo everything that we can, possibly paint, but for right now, we just need to clear all this out. A lot of leaf blowing, I mean, even these deer heads right here. We're throwing most of these out. We're gonna cut the antlers off and maybe try to do something cool with them. That being said, let's get to it. I'm wondering why the hell you cutting those damn racks off the mounted deer. Well, these deer were inside these mounts and no one really wanted them. We had to kind of get them at the deer club. They've been sitting out underneath the skinning shed for probably a month and a half now, and it was either throw them out or, I mean, we just thought we can use them, hang them up there and just kind of keep them as, I mean, because these deer were shot a long time ago, so they're unique, but it kind of feels weird like cutting them out that like you go to get paid for. I mean, those deer were complete, but it is what it is. They didn't go to waste at least, and now they got a new home up there. Got everything set up. We got running water to the grill. We got our pipe going out for the flow. It's looking good. It's not really going to soak up everything around here. That's what it was doing before. It can run downhill now. Like I said, we got some overhead lighting to do. We're just pretty much just going to tidy up here, running lows right now, grab a couple things. I want to get this grill painted up. You can get some high heat paint that's up to like 1100 or 600. I forgot what it is, but it should be good. Let's run the lows and pick up our stuff. We just made it back. I'm actually gonna start working on this little fire pit right here, get it painted up, looking a little bit nice. We got black. It's up to like 2,000 degree paint, which that should be plenty. A normal grill only gets up to like 600-700, so we should be good. We have a rake. Once we kind of blow these leaves off, they clump up super thick. It's kind of hard to keep pushing them. I have the power now just to rake it all out, so I'm gonna go back a little bit further. Brendan's probably gonna start messing around with these lights and just getting everything situated. It's gonna be good. I gotta move some stands around, just open this place up a little bit more. I look back and my camera was shut off. That's what the grill's looking like now. The fire pit, a lot better. It's kind of like a matte black, but it fits and it's better than being rusty. Brayden and Garrett are over here scrubbing the sink down. How's it looking, boys?
Wonderful. Better than what it was.
Better. Now and that was before. Scrub it, Brayden. That makes such a, that's awesome, dude. A lot better. Give me this corner right here.
Where?
Right there. Oh yeah. Walking inside to flip all of the breakers because we're about to start doing some wiring for these lights, and the last thing we need is someone getting shocked and flying off the ladder. Electricity could be sketchy, so you gotta make sure you're doing it safe. So we're getting some stuff figured out. We have power to this one right here. We tried to work on the one above and there was nothing there to replace it, so we don't even know if that wire's all the way there. It's kind of doing some funny stuff, but we got the first one working. Garrett's taking down the next one, but it's getting pretty damn cold, so we have a new fire pit, so we might as well get a fire going because it's starting to get a little freezing. That is a lot brighter. We're not gonna need the other one that we tried. That's one that's not working. Tried, but I don't think there was ever power there, so it didn't work.
We got even more light, baby.
Fire's looking good. Nice little break.
Good job, dude.
Thanks, man. So nice to have this fire pit here now. All right, we'll flip the camera, show you guys kind of what we're working with here, what's kind of left, so we can try to wrap this up. And we got a little bit of a mess here. Pulled a lot of stuff out that it might be keeping, we might not, but for the majority of it, what's in here is kind of staying, but we're just trying to arrange everything. We got junk over there. I mean, there's stuff laying around everywhere, so I'm just gonna go around and start picking everything up, what is for sure going, and throw it in the dump trailer and get it the hell out of here. So we're sitting by the fire wrapping it up. Garrett, you a little cold, pal?
A little cold. The fire's lit, but this place looks incredible.
It looks nice, man. I'm so freaking happy with it.
Yeah, we did good.
Braden, what you think?
I love it. You gotta think about what it looked like when we started.
It was rough, dude, and super, super rough. I'm gonna kind of walk you guys through and show you what we're working with. As soon as you walk up, we were gonna throw this away. It's just kind of this little old bench. Like I said, we were gonna yoke it in the dump trailer, but we stacked some wood in here. We're gonna keep it dry. The rest of the stack's over there. Then we have it's calm. We have a corn stacked up. It was long ways. We kind of shortened it up so we have more room. Just a couple more little chairs. We can bring them over here to the table, but that leads us over here. This freaking sink, guys, is like kitchen grade. It's super massive. We're kind of thinking that once we're skinning the deer out, we can go ahead and put it right here. It's all made to get dirty. It's super, super easy to clean. Wash it off, and we'll have some bags on this table. Go ahead and bag it up. And then we'll have a cooler underneath here to go ahead and pack it up and put it on ice. To move this thing, but it weighs about 1,000 pounds. We're probably gonna have to grab the skidder. We're like 8 people, because no joke, that joker's heavy. This weekend we're coming down here to all hang out. We're having a massive cookout, so the grill's gonna come in handy. I'm gonna get in the stand, I think Friday, Saturday, and a little bit Sunday. All depends. I'm looking at one buck that you guys are gonna think is pretty interesting. It's gonna be fun. We're all gonna come down here and have a good time. If you guys enjoyed this video and like what we did to the skinning shed, you know what to do. Leave in the comments down below. Appreciate you guys watching. Until next time, Linton Bass TV.